In our continuous journey toward comprehensive health, the vitality of our respiratory system often takes center stage. Taking care of your lungs is essential for anyone earnestly focusing on improving their overall health. The intricate network of airways and tissues that constitute our lungs performs the critical task of oxygenating our body, and any impediment can significantly impact our quality of life. When excess mucus is present, it can cause difficulty breathing and those profoundly discomforting feelings of shortness of breath. This accumulation can stem from various factors, including environmental pollutants, seasonal allergies, or underlying respiratory conditions. The encouraging news, however, is that nature itself offers a potent arsenal of remedies. Numerous natural herbs have been subjects of scientific inquiry, with studies revealing their potent therapeutic properties beneficial for your lungs and respiratory system. These botanical allies can help soothe irritation, act as expectorants to clear up your lungs, reduce inflammation, and ultimately make breathing easier. In this comprehensive discussion, we will delve into 10 such remarkable herbs. We aim to provide you with valuable insights, empowering you to make informed decisions regarding your respiratory wellness. It is imperative, however, to preface this exploration with a crucial reminder. The information presented herein is for educational and informational purposes only and should not be construed as medical advice. We are not medical doctors. Always consult with your healthcare professional before introducing any new herbal supplement or remedy into your regimen, especially if you have pre-existing health conditions or are taking other medications. Ginseng, the adaptogenic powerhouse for respiratory resilience. Our exploration begins with ginseng, an herb revered in traditional Asian medicine for millennia. Ginseng is celebrated for its potent antioxidant properties, which are instrumental in combating inflammation throughout the body. This anti-inflammatory action is not only beneficial for your lungs, but extends its protective effects to virtually all organ systems. Furthermore, studies have indicated that ginseng can significantly boost your immune system, fortifying your body's natural defenses. However, ginseng's prominence in this list is particularly due to its documented benefits for individuals with chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD. This debilitating condition, tragically the third leading cause of death in the United States, affects a substantial portion of the population. Multiple scientific investigations have found that individuals with stable COPD who incorporate ginseng into their regimen experience notable improvements in breathing and lung function. This, in turn, translates to an enhanced overall quality of life. While there is currently no cure for COPD, traditional remedies like ginseng can offer symptomatic relief, helping to manage this chronic condition more effectively. Osha Root, the mountain herb for enhanced oxygenation. Next, we turn to Osha Root, Ligusticum porteri, an herb native to the Rocky Mountains and traditionally used by Native American cultures. The roots of this potent plant contain a complex array of compounds that provide a significant boost to your lungs and respiratory system. Specifically, Osha Root is known to help increase blood circulation to the lungs. This improved perfusion enhances oxygenation throughout the entire body, a critical factor for energy and cellular health. Osha Root also exhibits notable antihistamine properties, making it effective for soothing sinus infections and alleviating symptoms of other respiratory illnesses, such as coughs, sore throats, bronchitis, and common colds. A few drops of concentrated Osha Root extract, often added to water or another beverage, can exert a mild numbing effect, which helps to alleviate irritated tissues within your airways and respiratory tract, providing comfort and facilitating easier breathing. Eucalyptus, the aromatic expectorant. Eucalyptus, a tree synonymous with the Australian landscape, offers more than just sustenance for wildlife. Its leaves are a treasure trove of medicinal compounds. When distilled and diluted, eucalyptus leaves yield an essential oil widely recognized for its therapeutic applications, particularly in treating sinus congestion, common colds, fevers, and other respiratory ailments. The efficacy of eucalyptus is largely attributed to a compound called cineole, or eucalyptol. Cineole acts as a powerful expectorant, meaning it can ease a cough and facilitate the removal of mucus and secretions from the airways. It also possesses antioxidant and antimicrobial effects, further supporting immune function. Cineole interacts with the mucous membranes of the lungs, helping to loosen viscous secretions so they can be coughed up more readily, thereby clearing the airways and improving respiratory comfort. Elderberry, the immune-boosting berry. Elderberry, Sambucus nigra, has garnered immense popularity in recent years, and for good reason. This plant is renowned for its impressive antimicrobial, antibacterial, and antifungal properties. These characteristics make elderberry an excellent choice for boosting the immune system and combating common afflictions like colds, infections, and various viruses that can compromise respiratory health. Commonly consumed as a syrup, elderberry can be taken daily as a prophylactic measure to support immune resilience. If you are already experiencing symptoms of illness, your healthcare provider might suggest an adjusted dosage frequency. While generally considered safe, it is crucial, as with all supplements, to adhere to recommended dosages and consult with your doctor, particularly for prolonged use or if you have underlying health concerns. Astragalus, the ancient qi tonic for lung defense. Astragalus membranaceus, is a foundational herb in traditional Chinese medicine, TCM, where it has been used for centuries to strengthen qi, vital energy, and protect the body from illness. It is prized for its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory components. Modern research supports its traditional uses, with studies indicating that astragalus root can bolster the body's resistance to infections and enhance immune responses. This makes astragalus a valuable ally for those seeking to strengthen their immune system and reduce their susceptibility to certain viral and bacterial pathogens that can affect the respiratory tract. It has been traditionally employed to treat a wide spectrum of ailments, including the common cold, allergies, and even conditions like chronic fatigue, often by fortifying the body's overall defenses, including those of the lungs. Horehound, the mint family's expectorant secret. Horehound, Marobium vulgar, a member of the mint family, might be less known by its name, but its effects are familiar to many. The horehound leaf is, in fact, a common ingredient in commercially available cough drops and cough syrups. This is due to its natural properties that function as an effective expectorant, aiding in the removal of mucus and phlegm from the lungs and bronchial passages. Consequently, horehound can be particularly useful for individuals dealing with allergies, sinus infections, and chest congestion, helping to clear airways and alleviate coughs. Some herbal enthusiasts even utilize horehound to create their own DIY cough remedies, often by combining its finely chopped leaves with ingredients like honey. Bergamot, the citrus soother for easier breathing. Bergamot, a fragrant citrus fruit primarily cultivated in southern Italy, is perhaps best known for its essential oil, which is widely used in aromatherapy to relieve stress and anxiety. However, its benefits extend to the respiratory system. Historically, its fruit juice was employed in traditional medicine for various ailments. More recently, bergamot essential oil has been recognized for its antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antiseptic properties. These properties are precisely why bergamot can benefit your respiratory system. When used in aromatherapy or steam inhalation, bergamot essential oil can act as an expectorant, helping to clear nasal passages, combat congestion, and provide relief from chronic coughing. This action aids in the removal of mucus and phlegm, which can harbor bacteria responsible for lung infections, ultimately contributing to easier breathing. Lavender, the calming flora for relaxed airways. Lavender, with its distinctive purple hue and soothing aroma, is cultivated globally. While widely appreciated for its calming scent, many are unaware that its therapeutic properties have been utilized for medicinal and religious purposes for centuries. Emerging research suggests that lavender may offer particular benefits for individuals with COPD. It contains antioxidant properties that are believed to combat the oxidative stress contributing to the progression of the disease. One intriguing study found that inhaling lavender's aroma helped decrease the production of cortisol, the body's primary stress hormone. Elevated stress levels can exacerbate bronchoconstriction, a common symptom in COPD where airways tighten, making breathing difficult. By reducing stress and subsequently cortisol levels, lavender may help relax the airways, allowing them to open more, thereby making it much easier for your lungs to take in oxygen and expel carbon dioxide. Peppermint, the minty refresher for respiratory relief. Peppermint, Mentha piperita, an aromatic herb native to the Mediterranean region, is another esteemed member of the mint family. The essential oil derived from peppermint leaves contains analgesic, pain-relieving, antiseptic, and antimicrobial properties, offering a spectrum of benefits for improving your breathing. A primary active compound in peppermint oil is menthol. When inhaled, menthol imparts a cooling sensation that can provide immediate relief for a sore throat and irritated nasal passages. Studies have indicated that menthol also promotes relaxation in the smooth muscles of the airways within the lungs. This muscular relaxation can cause the airways to dilate or open up, enabling them to take in more oxygen. Peppermint is also a traditional ingredient in chest rubs, valued for its ability to help relieve congestion. It is crucial to note, however, that peppermint oil is not a bronchodilator in the pharmaceutical sense and should not replace prescribed medications like albuterol. Mullein, the gentle giant for lung soothing. Our final herb, mullein, Verbascum thapsus, is a plant with a long history of traditional use as a remedy specifically for the lungs and respiratory tract, owing to its remarkable soothing ingredients. The mullein leaf possesses antibacterial properties effective against both gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria. Some studies further suggest it exhibits antiviral and antifungal properties as well. This trifecta of antimicrobial actions makes mullein particularly beneficial for treating breathing issues associated with common colds, bronchitis, and other respiratory infections. It helps to soothe inflamed mucous membranes and acts as an expectorant. The most practical and common way to consume mullein is by brewing its dried leaves into an herbal tea. Alternatively, a few drops of concentrated mullein extract can be added to other beverages. Concluding thoughts on nature's respiratory allies. Millions of individuals worldwide grapple with a diverse array of respiratory ailments, from seasonal discomforts to chronic conditions. It is a testament to the wisdom of nature that she provides us with such an abundance of amazing herbs that can serve as natural alternatives or complements to conventional treatments, often with fewer associated side effects. These 10 herbs represent just a fraction of the botanical kingdom's potential to support lung health and easier breathing. We reiterate that this information is for educational purposes. Always prioritize consultation with your healthcare provider for accurate medical advice and personalized treatment plans, as they possess comprehensive knowledge of your individual health status and needs. We sincerely hope this exploration has been enlightening and that you have learned valuable information that may empower you to improve your overall quality of life by making breathing easier. The path to better respiratory health can indeed be supported by the gentle, yet potent, hand of nature.